Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, brothers and sisters, the time has come for an incredible celebration of faith, community, and abundance. Webster Memorial United Church proudly presents its annual Harvest Festival, and this year is going to be absolutely spectacular. So grab your calendars, get ready to mark the dates, and let's dive into the exciting lineup of events we've planned for you. We kick off this fantastic week with a bang on Sunday, September 24. We have the Harvest Praise and Worship Service. It's a morning filled with rejoicing, joyful praises, lifting our voices in gratitude for all the blessings bestowed upon us, and a spirit of thanksgiving that will warm your heart.
Oh God.
But that's just the beginning. On Monday, September 25, prepare for Education and Harvest Sale Day. It's a chance to expand your knowledge while supporting our church community through the Harvest Sale. You'll find food items, craft items, and more. Feeling stressed? Or need some pampering? Tuesday, September 26 is your day. We're all about self-care and health check and spa day. Take some time to relax and rejuvenate your body and soul. On Wednesday, September 27, we gather for Bible study and prayer meeting, a moment to dive deep into the Word of God and strengthen our faith as we come together in prayer. Looking to make a difference? Thursday, September 28 is a day for civic engagement with our Constitutional Reform Forum. Come and engage in important conversations about shaping our country's future. Now, hold on to your hats and get ready for a feast for the senses, because Friday, September 29, is all about tantalizing your taste buds and your fashion sense. It's Harvest Food and Fashion. Enjoy delectable dishes and a dazzling fashion show featuring our talented members. Saturday, September 30 is a day for everyone in the family. It's all about unity across generations with the intergenerational vibes. A day filled with games, music, and bonding across generations. And as we reach the grand finale on Sunday, October 1, we wrap up the festivities with a Harvest of the Souls. It's a day of reflection, renewal, and an opportunity to invite new souls to join our wonderful church family. Friends, this year's Harvest Festival promises to be the best one yet. Mark your calendars, invite your friends and neighbors, and let's come together in love and celebration. We can't wait to see you at Webster Memorial United Church for this incredible week of activities. So, ensure that you've got the dates marked on your calendar and prepare for a week filled with love, fellowship, and the spirit of togetherness. We can't wait to see you.
Stay tuned for more details and get ready for a week filled with joy, fellowship, and the spirit of togetherness. This is one celebration you won't want to miss. Thank you, and may God bless you all abundantly.